¿Cuál?
¿Cuál qué?
¿Cuál parte?
I was falling in love of you, but you
No.
destroyed my heart.
No. It's falling in love with you, not of you.
Okay, I was falling in love
No,
with
en
you,
español está bien.
but you destroyed my heart.
No, I built your heart again. Let's go. Uno, dos, tres. Ok, lo siento. Ok, entonces, ¿quieres conmigo, Amelas? Espera. Oye. Hola. Oh my god. Yeah, this is my twins. Alena.
You have a twin?
Alita, Alena. Sí.
No, I prefer the original one.
No, because you said my sister hurt you.
But your sister loves me?
Yes, but you left. You don't want to live here.
Don't lie to me, eh?
No. She said she's very angry when she saw you like naked girls pictures en Instagram. Cuando tú eres con ella. She's very jealous person, you know?
Yeah, I know.
Yes,
I
because
don't
for
do
her,
anything.
what's hers is her. Don't make the same mistake if you wanna be with her. You don't wanna be with me, it's okay. ¿Tienes hermano?
Sí, gemelo.
¿Oh sí? Déjame
Gemelo.
hablar con él.
¿Sí?
Yes, I wanna talk to him.
Okay.
Idiota.
Hey, what is happening? Oh,
What is happening? Oh, what's your name?
well, you look fantastic, eh, girl?
Yes, girl. What's your name?
My name is Roberto.
Roberto. It's ugly name, ew. I don't like Roberto.
Yes.
It's Italian, yeah? You're Italian.
No, Spanish.
Yeah, you're
I
Spanish?
have a lot. I have a lot of things, a lot of money, good car, everything good.
Yeah? Oh wow, you're rich.
Yeah. I like to make like if I'm rich, but honestly, I'm not rich.
You have a lot of that? Yes. Alita say, if you wanna be with her, you cannot like naked girls pictures when you're with her. Don't follow random girls. I know you like models, but she doesn't like it. She say if you like the girl's picture, you have to be marry her, not her. Or she will kill you because she's so jealous, especially with Russian. No le gusta rusa.
A mí tampoco.
Ah, mentira.
¿Verdad?
Ja, 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 ja.
Okay.
No, así, porque los modelos que que tú sigues en Instagram es rusa.
Sí, pero no quiere decir nada.
Sí.
What it means that I follow people? You also follow people, but don't miss anything. Don't means anything. I don't speak with. I don't speak with nobody. You know.
Tú eres como mi ex. ¿Sabes qué? Yo no quiero, tengo mi Instagram, ya. Quiero borrar mi Instagram otra vez. Segunda. Porque para mí, no, en serio, no soy disfrutar Instagram. Pero si te gustan, vale.
Yo uso Instagram para hablar con mis amigos y noticias. No, para ver chicas bonitas te tengo a ti.
Yes. Es no como así. Follow, DM. Hey, so sexy. ¿No? Reply su historia como, me encanta.
Never in my life. But do you remember how I met you?
No. Obviamente recuerdo que en Instagram.
Yes. That you notice you are the only girl that I texted in Instagram?
¿En serio?
I promise you.
I promise you.
Only one girl. Only one girl that I said, oh, fuck, it's incredible, it's fantastic.
Déjame ver tu móvil.
¿Mi móvil? Where's my móvil?
No, Instagram.
I gave you my móvil. Take it, pick up.
Y tu dinero. Y todo es de ti. No, it's robbing, ¿ok? Es ok. Si te gustan chicas, está bien. Es normal. So that means you're not gay. Es que solo don't be too friendly. Es como, oh, ella es muy guapa, a mí, porque soy sensitive. If I'm with someone, my boyfriend or my husband especially, if he goes to me and say, that's girl pretty, babe. ¿Conmigo? ¿Qué soy? ¿Tu amigo o qué? Oh, sí, bro, yes. She's so pretty, let's fuck her.
Yeah.
Imagínate. Okay? It's very common mistake. Men do this to me. En serio.
But,
they forgot I'm their girlfriend. They think I'm their bro.
You remember that when the week that I was with you together like boyfriend, I never use the phone.
Mentira.
Because nobody text me. I don't text anybody. Only my friend from La Mayor. You remember that we make
the Italian. Yes, Italian. Yes.
Then why you say? What could you to speaking with all the girls in Instagram? Blah, blah, blah,
No,
blah,
porque te gusta la chica foto en Instagram enfréntame y para mí es muy disrespectful porque tú y yo juntos.
Eso no es verdad.
Es algo para mí, no es nada. It's nothing, ¿ok? Soy celosa.
Eres hermosa.
No soy celosa.